Okay, live from Venice. It's 3:10 a.m. Just completed the pavilion. It will be possible to visit the pavilion from Saturday, right?
From Saturday. Yeah.
Here is the artist,
Architect
Mr. Kabage
Karanja.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
It's amazing what you've done, Franco.
Thank you very much.
You guys are fantastic. This is amazing. I didn't think it would happen, but you've done it.
Many people were skeptical.
This is a good man. He's a good engineer. Amazing.
Thank you. Thank you very much. But I am not the only one here.
Yes.
This guy, Eros, and there are two more colleagues. Luca. They made possible something like a miracle. We managed to complete this pavilion. We are not allowed to show any picture, any video before the big opening, which will be on Saturday. But yeah, this proves that the teamwork always pays off.
Absolutely.
So, oh, sorry, Kabage, you are not in the video. I'm sorry. So, well, no words, speechless, but we completed.
Well done.
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
Take
thank you.
care.